fortune. Today I'm going to show you how to make crispy spring roll, and here is my ingredient. So today I make spring roll, vegetable spring roll. I have the veggie, have the carrot and celery and some cabbage and some bean that I cut in this size like julienne. And here I have spring roll pastry that you can get in Asian shop mostly. And I have some, this called hair spaghetti. You can also use the very fine noodles, just soak in hot water and cut it off. But today I'm going to use this because I have in my pantry. So here what I have, I'm going to cook it. So I've been cooked already, and I've been cut into broken like this size. And here is my sauce, and I have half of tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soya sauce, and 1 teaspoon of chicken meat powder. This is optional. You can also, you don't like, you don't need to put it, but I'm going to put it with my ingredient, and this is look like. You can get it in the Asian store too. And I have around 1 teaspoon of white sugar, and I'm going to use some white pepper and some cooking oil here. And this you can also use black pepper also can. So now is like, and oh sorry, and at the end is I have around 4 or 5 cloves of garlic and 1 small piece mint, ginger mint. And you don't like so much garlic, you can use also 1 or 2, but I like a lot of garlic, so I put a little more extra to get more smell, good smell. So now let's start cooking. So here is my wok, and I put on high heat, and it's cooking oil. I'm going to put around 1 to 2 tablespoons of cooking oil into my wok. You don't need a lot of oil with this. So I'm going to put my garlic and ginger into my wok. So give a good stir. Maybe just stir this until light brown coming and a good smell coming up. So now my garlic coming a little bit starting light brown and good smell coming. I'm going to put my veggie, my celery and my bean into here, and give a good stir a little bit, and then I'm going to put all the veggie. But maybe 30%. Everything like that, and then I'm going to put all these things in here and give a good mix. Then I'm going to put all my sauce into here. Salt, sugar, my chicken meat powder, and give a good mix. This veggie you don't need to cook very well, just medium cook. You don't need to let it cook so much. So I'm going to put this, my spaghetti. So please let the sauce going well with my steak. Try this. Well, like 1 minute. And then I'm going to put the pepper at the end, just a little bit, to have a good smell, a good taste. And give a good stir like that. So all going together very well. And I'm going to turn off the veggie and let this veggie to cool down before you rolling spring roll. So I'm going to put aside to let it completely cooling down. So now let rolling the spring roll. So here the pastry I showed you before, and then just take one by one like that and put in the cutting board. And I'm going to put my filling here, quarter cup of filling, and this is cold, completely cold. So I'm going to put the center like this, and then just spread like this. So today I'm going to show you two different ways how to make a spring roll. So just doing like that, you can see the triangle. So I'm going to put like this, going to like that, and pull it up like this, and then just roll it like that. Then fold the side to the middle like this. Then keep pulling, keep rolling. So just rolling like this. And so now coming to the end, you just put a little bit water in your hand to weight it like that. So it's just rolling like this. So it's my spring roll. So put in here. So now I'm going to show you another way. This is the easy way too. So I'm going to put 1/4 cup of my filling into here. So I'm going to line my spring roll filling into like this, and then you can also just sides coming like this and like this, and then you take two like this. This is, you just fold it to like that, and then you just put the water to the end, and then just roll it up like this. So it becomes spring roll. So repeat it, do that until finish the filling. So here is my last one. So it is the last to do. Here, just doing like this. Bring the center and fold it. Do this. Do this. Put some water at the end. Fold it. So here is my spring roll that I've been rolled all my filling in here. So now it's time to deep fry it. So now let's fry my spring roll. So here my spring roll and here my wok. And I've been put cooking oil around 2.5 of cooking oil in here, and I put in high heat. So now it's time to test my oil is hot enough to doing deep frying. So now the sun show is very hot enough to cook. So I'm going to put my spring roll one by one in my hot oil. The oil must be very hot. So if not so hot, the oil may get into the spring roll and you may feel like oily. So when the hot oil is the best to do it is. So I'm going to turn around to deep fry it until crispy and both sides are become brown. So now my spring roll are all both sides golden and crispy. So time to turn off the oil and to take it out from the oil. Put in the pepper powder. You can see it's golden and crispy. So now time to put on the plate. So here is my vegetable spring roll, and this is good to eat with the sweet chili sauce with it. And so I hope you enjoy my video and see you again soon. Bye.